Understanding why you might need to update your Ring camera's Wi-Fi network is the first step. There are several common reasons for making this change. One reason is getting a new router. When you upgrade your router, you'll need to reconnect your Ring camera to the new network. Another reason is changing your internet service provider. Different providers have different network names and passwords that your Ring camera needs to connect to. You might also need to update when you change your Wi-Fi password. Security updates require all devices, including your Ring camera, to reconnect with the new password. Without updating, your Ring camera may become offline, showing connection errors. Updating ensures it stays connected and functional for home security. To begin updating your Ring camera's Wi-Fi, first put your Ring device into setup mode by pressing the setup button. For Ring doorbells, you may need to remove the faceplate first to access the setup button. Use a tool to loosen the screws and gently pull the doorbell away from its mount. Locate the setup button on the back of the device and press it firmly. For Ring Spotlight Cam or other devices, press the setup button directly on the device. Press and release the setup button to initiate the setup process. Once in setup mode, you'll see a spinning white light pattern on your Ring device, indicating it's ready to connect. First, locate the Ring app icon on your smartphone's home screen. Tap the Ring app icon to open it. The app will open to your main dashboard, showing your connected Ring devices. If you have multiple Ring devices, they will all appear here. Make sure your Ring app is up to date for the best performance. On iPhone, open the App Store to check for updates. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps to manage updates. Open the Ring app and view your dashboard. Look for your Ring devices listed here, such as the front door camera. Tap on the specific device you want to reconnect, like the front door camera, to access its settings. If your device appears offline, you'll see an offline indicator in the app, along with troubleshooting options. Once your Ring device is selected in the app, navigate to the device settings. Look for the Device Health section, where you'll find the Change Wi-Fi Network option. In the Device Health menu, locate and tap the Change Wi-Fi Network option to proceed with updating your Wi-Fi settings. The Ring app will now scan for available Wi-Fi networks in your area. A list of detected networks appears within the app. Select your new Wi-Fi network from the list, making sure to choose the correct network name. Remember to ensure you are close to the router for a strong signal during setup. After selecting your new Wi-Fi network, the Ring app will display a password entry field. This is where you enter your Wi-Fi password to connect the device. It's essential to enter the exact Wi-Fi password. Double-check for accuracy to ensure a successful connection. A helpful tip is to display the password characters as you type them. This allows you to verify each character and catch any mistakes immediately. Also, remember that Wi-Fi passwords are case-sensitive. Uppercase and lowercase letters matter, so ensure you match the exact casing. After entering the Wi-Fi password, the Ring app begins connecting your device to the new network. Watch the progress indicator in the app. When the connection succeeds, the device status in the app changes to online. All your Ring devices will now be connected to the new Wi-Fi network. If the connection fails, here are common troubleshooting steps to try. First, ensure you're entering the correct Wi-Fi password. Double-check for any typos. Try restarting your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Ensure your Ring device is within range of the router. Move closer if the signal is weak.